Hey everyone! If you're trying to subscribe to YouTube Premium and you keep getting an error that says, "We couldn't verify your country," don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few simple and proven ways to fix this issue. Just make sure you follow each step carefully. This error usually shows up because Google can't verify your country, so they stop the payment from going through. And you're not alone. This is actually a very common problem. If you check forums like the YouTube Premium subreddit, you'll see lots of people dealing with the same issue. Right now, there are only two methods that actually work, so let's go through them one by one. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, this is the easiest solution. Start by opening the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Here, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions, along with any expired ones. Look for YouTube Premium, tap on it, and complete the payment from there. In many cases, subscribing through the App Store works perfectly without showing the country verification error. So if you're on iOS, definitely try this first. If you're on Android or any other device, this method usually works. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Select Switch Account. From here, choose another account. If you don't have one, you can simply create a new Google account and select it. Once you've switched accounts, tap on that account icon again. Scroll down until you see Get YouTube Premium. Tap on it. If this is your first time subscribing on that account, YouTube will usually offer you a 1-month free trial. Go ahead and continue with the subscription and complete the payment. If you've tried both methods and the problem still isn't fixed, don't worry, there's one last step. Start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon at the top right corner to go to Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap Send Feedback. Now here's the important part. Clearly explain the problem. Make sure to mention that your VPN is turned off, but YouTube Premium still can't verify your country. This helps YouTube understand that the issue isn't related to location masking. If possible, also attach a screenshot of the error message. This makes it easier for the support team to review your case. Once you submit the feedback, YouTube will review your report and get back to you after checking your account. And that's it. These are currently the only working solutions for YouTube Premium country verification error. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.